how to get a new Chase debit card on app. So if you lost your debit card for some reason and you want to get a new Chase debit card right from your app, normally the steps are pretty much quite simple. Simply open up the Chase mobile banking application and just make sure that you're signed in using your username and your password. Now once you sign in, after signing into the app, tap the credit card or the debit card you want to replace on the checking account for a debit card, right? Then what you have to do is scroll to find the option called replace a lost or damaged card. Once you've done that, choose your card and then a reason for replacement such as lost or damaged or stolen or something like that. Then review and submit your request. The bank will verify the request, get back to you, and a new debit card might be sent to you, but you might actually incur a fee. For the first time you got it for free, but this time because you're trying to replace it, you might be incurred certain amount of fee. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.